I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Vauxhall Corsa D, produced from 2006 to 2014. This compact hatchback has been a staple on British roads, known for its affordability and nimble handling in city traffic. However, like many cars in its class, it comes with a share of weak spots that owners should watch out for. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as promised. Timing chain failures top the list for many Corsa D owners, especially in models with the 1.2 or 1.4-litre petrol engines. These chains can stretch or snap prematurely, leading to engine rattles, loss of power, and in worst cases, complete engine failure if not addressed early. The issue often stems from poor lubrication or infrequent oil changes, which are crucial for these engines. Repair costs can sting, typically ranging from £500 to £1,000 at a reputable UK garage, depending on the extent of the damage. On the bright side, catching it early with regular servicing can prevent a hefty bill and keep your Corsa running smoothly. Another frequent headache is ABS sensor issues, which plague the braking system across various Corsa D trims. These sensors can fail due to dirt buildup, corrosion from road salt, or wiring faults, triggering the ABS warning light and potentially disabling the anti-lock brakes. In the UK's wet and gritty conditions, this problem surfaces more often than you'd like. Fixing an ABS sensor usually involves replacement, costing around £100 to £200 per sensor, plus labour. The good news is that the Corsa's overall braking system is responsive when functioning properly, providing confident stops in urban driving. Many owners praise its reliability for short commutes, making it a forgiving choice for new drivers. Beyond these, electrical gremlins are a common complaint, particularly with the central locking and dashboard instruments. Faulty wiring or blown fuses can cause doors to lock erratically or gauges to malfunction, often linked to the car's age and exposure to moisture. While annoying, these issues are usually inexpensive to fix, often under £100 with a bit of DIY know-how. On the positive side, the Corsa D boasts a spacious interior for its size, accommodating 4 adults comfortably on longer trips. Its fuel efficiency is impressive, with some diesel variants achieving over 50 miles per gallon on motorways. This makes it an economical runabout for budget-conscious families in the UK. Suspension woes also crop up frequently, with worn bushings and shock absorbers leading to a bumpy ride over pothole-riddled British roads. These components degrade faster in models used for heavy city driving, causing clunks and instability. Replacement costs hover around £200 to £400 for a full set, but the car's agile steering remains a highlight, offering fun handling on twisty country lanes. Engine management lights are another persistent issue, often triggered by faulty oxygen sensors or throttle bodies in petrol versions. Ignoring this can lead to reduced performance and higher emissions, failing the MOT test. Fortunately, diagnostics at a local garage like those in Quick Fit can pinpoint the problem quickly, keeping costs manageable. The Corsa D's build quality is generally solid, with rust resistance better than some rivals from the era. Its compact dimensions make parking in tight London spots a breeze, and the boot space is adequate for weekly shopping. Many owners appreciate the low insurance groups, starting from Group 4, which keeps premiums affordable for young drivers. Transmission problems, especially in manual gearboxes, include stiff shifting or synchro wear after high mileage. This is more prevalent in the 1.0-litre engines, where enthusiastic driving accelerates the issue. Repairs might set you back £300 to £600, but the smooth clutch action in well-maintained examples is a joy for daily use. Diesel models, like those with the 1.3 CDTI engine, suffer from turbo failures if service intervals are skipped. Symptoms include smoke from the exhaust and power loss on acceleration. While costly at up to £800 to fix, these diesels offer torque-rich performance ideal for motorway cruising. Interior trim can wear out quickly, with seat fabrics fraying and plastic panels cracking over time. This is especially true in higher mileage examples used as family cars. Upgrading to aftermarket covers is a cheap fix, and the cabin's ergonomic layout still earns praise for its user-friendly controls. Cooling system leaks from radiators or water pumps are not uncommon, leading to overheating in summer traffic. Regular checks can prevent this, with parts costing £150 to £300. The air conditioning, when working, provides efficient cooling, enhancing comfort on hot UK days. Exhaust system corrosion affects many Corsa Ds, particularly in coastal areas with salty air. A rattling or blowing exhaust might need replacement, around £200. Yet the car's quiet cabin noise levels make it a pleasant companion for long drives. Fuel pump failures in petrol variants can strand you unexpectedly, often due to contaminated fuel. This repair is pricier, at £400 to £600, but the engine's peppy response in city sprints is a redeeming feature. Owners often note its reliability for short errands. Battery drain issues from faulty alternators or parasitic draws are reported by some. This can leave you with a flat battery after a few days of inactivity. Fixes are straightforward, costing £100 to £250, and the car's easy-to-access engine bay simplifies maintenance. Wheel bearing wear causes humming noises at speed, a problem amplified on rough roads. Replacement per wheel is about £100, but the Corsa's stable cornering inspires confidence. It's particularly suited for novice drivers learning the ropes. Clutch failures in higher mileage manuals lead to slipping or difficulty engaging gears. This often requires a full clutch kit, at £300 to £500. The 5-speed gearbox, however, shifts crisply when new, adding to the driving enjoyment. Bodywork scratches and dents accumulate easily due to the soft paint, but touch-up kits are affordable. The design remains stylish, with sporty SRI models turning heads. Resale values hold steady, around £2,000 to £4,000 for a decent example today. Headlight failures from burnt-out bulbs or faulty units are minor but frequent. Bulb swaps cost pennies, and the lights provide good visibility on dark rural roads. Safety features like multiple airbags add peace of mind. Oil leaks from rocker cover gaskets are messy but common, especially in older engines. Sealing this up is inexpensive, under £100. The 1.4 engine's balance of power and economy is a strong point for many. Power steering pumps in electric systems can fail, making steering heavy. Repairs run £200 to £400, but the light steering when operational is perfect for urban maneuvers. It's a boon for drivers in congested cities like Manchester. Catalytic converter thefts have risen, given the Corsa's popularity. Securing it with a cage costs about £100 extra. The exhaust note in VXR models is throaty and engaging for enthusiasts. Door handle breakages from brittle plastic annoy owners in cold weather. Replacements are cheap, around £20 each. The doors, solid feel, contributes to the car's perceived quality. In conclusion, the Vauxhall Corsa D suits budget-minded urban drivers, young families or first-time buyers seeking an affordable, easy-to-park hatchback with decent fuel economy. It's not ideal for those needing heavy towing or long-haul reliability without maintenance, but with vigilant servicing, it can be a dependable daily driver. Overall, its blend of fun driving and low running costs makes it a smart choice for UK city life, provided you budget for those timing chain and ABS fixes. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.